Hey guys, so I finally bought myself my first Arrma car. I've been looking at this one for maybe over a year and it's been quite expensive, but then I got an offer I couldn't refuse. So I've been trying it out. It's an Arrma Big Rock Crew Cab 3S 4x4. As you might know, I've said in previous videos I don't really have a proper bashing spot, but I was down at the playground today and this thing is really fast. It jumps in the snow and everything, so yeah, I really like it. What we're going to do is reinforce the body here. I've 3D printed some parts. And then we'll open up the oven. Cool. There we are. So these are the parts I've printed. I think these are pretty good. Pretty good prints. So we'll check out the body. I always say I don't have a proper place to bash, but the playground just outside works pretty nice actually, as long as there's no kids there. So there we are. Here's the body. I think it's quite thick for being Lexan, and this is after the first run. Nothing has broken, a few scratches, but absolutely nothing major. I'm really pleased. So we'll see the 3D printed parts, how they will fit. These should be here. The roofing should be like this, I reckon. Yeah, something like that. So we'll mark out and drill some holes. There we are. We'll fix some screws. Screws and nuts. Screws and nuts. Screws and nuts. Oh. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Yep, and there we are. I think they look pretty cool. And this is how it looks underneath. And tomorrow I will continue and do the roofing. Yeah, as always, thanks for watching. Hej då!